Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Hik Connect on Android TV. So step 1, confirm Smart TV compatibility. First, make sure your TV is truly Android TV. Brands like Sony or TCL. Note, some smart TVs like Samsung run proprietary OS and can't install Android APKs. So check that you have an official Android TV device. Step 2, install via Google Play Store. On your Android TV, open the Google Play Store app, search for Hik Connect, and if available, install it directly. The app supports Android TV as of the May 12 of 2025 update. Step 3, use APK if not in Play Store. If it's not visible in Play Store, download the latest Hik Connect APK version 6.9.x on your phone or PC. Transfer it to your Android TV, USB drive, or a network share. Using a file manager on a TV, navigate to the APK file and install it manually, enabling unknown sources if needed. Step 4. Launch and log in. Once installed, open Hik Connect from your apps menu, sign in with your Hikvision account or register if needed. You will now be able to view live camera feed, playback recordings, and receive alerts directly on your TV. And there you go. Hik Connect on Android TV in minutes. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.